See if you remember this one. Well, everybody here, honk on Bobo. Everybody there, honk on Bobo. Everybody everywhere, honk on Bobo. Before Bobo honks on you. Well, everybody everywhere, honk on Bobo. Everybody everywhere, honk on Bobo. Everybody anywhere, honk on Bobo. Before Bobo honks on you. Well, I was dancing to the band, having lots of fun. I looked across the dance floor, a fight had just begun. And when the fight was over, neither one of them had won, but they threw me out of my ass. Well, a big ugly bouncer with tattoos on his arms. I tried to tell him that I didn't mean him any harm. I looked up at him, pouring on the charm. I said, honk on Bobo too. Well, everybody here, honk on Bobo. Everybody there, honk on Bobo. Anybody anywhere, honk on Bobo. Before Bobo honks on you. Well, I jumped in the sack with a very pretty girl. She told me she would take me for a trip around the world. My head hit the pillow, the room began to whirl. I spent the night with my head in the can. Well, when I came to my watch and wallet, they were gone. On the dresser was a note said, thanks a lot, John. All I could remember were the words to the song. She can honk on Bobo too. Oh, everybody here, honk on Bobo. Everybody there, honk on Bobo. My two brothers, they can honk on Bobo. Before Bobo honks on you. Well, late Monday morning, I stumbled into work. The boss looked me over like I'm some kind of jerk. He got high and mighty like I'm a piece of dirt. And that's when the shit hit the fan. I told him where his job and his attitude could go. If it weren't for my good nature, we might have come to blows. I haven't got a job and I'm running out of dough, but he can honk on Bobo too. Well, everybody here, honk on Bobo. Everybody there, honk on Bobo. Everybody everywhere, honk on Bobo. Before Bobo honks on you. All right. I'd like to send this last verse out to Willie Nelson, wherever Willie is.
To all the joints I've smoked before.
I was driving down the highway, I thought I have a toke. A trooper pulled me over and I nearly had a stroke. I wound down the window, I said, can't you take a joke? And that's when I landed in jail. Well, the very next morning I had to see the judge. I begged the man for mercy till I knew he wouldn't budge. I'm not the kind of guy to ever hold a grudge, but he can honk on Bobo too. Everybody here, honk on Bobo. Everybody there, honk on Bobo. Everybody everywhere, honk on Bobo. Before Bobo honks on you. The people on the left, they can honk on Bobo. The people on the right, you can honk on Bobo. And the ones down the middle, you can honk on Bobo. Before Bobo honks on you.